Umbiko we-SIU ube bukhali khulu ngehlangothini likaDorh Zweli Mkhize. I-SIU ithi uMkhize ubhalelwe ukwenza umsebenzi wakhe ngefanelo wokukhandela ukweniwa kwemali karhulumende. Umbiko lo ubuye waveza ubudlapha kunye nokutshayisana kwemithetho endabeni yokunikela kwekampani iDigital ikontraga yeengidigidi zamaranda. Naphezu kokuthi abaphathi bekontraga leyo kuziinsebenzi zikaMkhize zangaphambilini. Umbiko lo uveze ukuthi kungaba nezinye izenzo zobulelesi ezitholakalako.
That statement that says may have committed a criminal act, we say so because we have found evidence pointing to criminal action.
Abantu abali-19 bathunyele ku-NPA ukuthi bayokuchuchiswa njengombana i-SIU ifumene ukuthi ikontraga le yabiza ngokweqileko imali engaphezu ko-72 million rands nakulinganiswa nenye ikampani eyayifake isibawo. Kanti iinqundo zekomiti eqatjha iinkampani zajukululwa begodu uMkhize watlikitla nembawo embili ezibiza 131 million ezafakwa yekampani iDigital. I-SIU ithi akhenge walandela imithetho efaneleko yokuqatjha ngefanelo. Insebenzi zomnyango wezepilo ezilikhomba kubalwa hlangana neenkhulu ezimbili ziyokuthathelwa amagadango afaneleko. Inhlangano ezihlukahlukeneko zisathola imikhono ehloko ngobukhwa ngaka
absence of patriotism, and there's an absence of conscience and an absence of duty, which characterizes the public service. If you look at the extent of the allegations and the corruption which has been unearthed, and sadly, of course, by people who have been entrusted with the responsibility of improving the lives of others.
I-SIU ithi ukungathathelwa amagadango kwabaphathi ngikho kuthuwelelisa ubukhohlakali lobu begodu ithonyekile ngokuba buthaka endabeni yokuthathela abakhohlakeleko amagadango afaneleko enarheni le.
The pace and the speed at which these matters are attended to, it's really worrisome. We're really concerned that the matters are not attended to speedily, and we would like to urge, and as we do follow up and urge the state institutions to implement the consequence management.
Kulindeleke ukuthi icala lokuthi ikampani iDigital ibuyise imali engange-141 million rands liyokulalela ekhothi yamacala akhethekileko mhla amalanga ali-16 ngenyanga ezako. Kanti ukuphenya kwecala eli kulindeleke ukuthi kuphele ekupheleni kwenyanga kaSinyikhaba nonyaka nje.